All right, you doers, I'm going to try to fix this displaced bumper. I think came out of the tabs from, I know at one point I got hit by a truck tire that had broken off, exploded or whatever, and it was far away from me, but somehow it ended up in my lane, impacting my car. And I'm gonna try something and see if it works. But basically, you can see it's still tightly on here, and also, but it comes loose up here, and it's very tight at this point. The other side's looking good, so it's not like the complete bumper is a problem. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna just lightly tap this. See if it'll go back in at all. Even here. Ooh, look at that. That went back in there. I got part of it, and just by lightly tapping with a rubber mallet. I'm gonna do this very gently, see if I can get this to go. Ooh, it's going back in there. Look at that. Let's get this top part in there. Maybe I can do that. It's looking better already. Let's just lightly take a screwdriver and see if what's going on up here. So other repairs I have to do. I have to repaint this. I have to fix this. Well, let's just see what I can do here. Try to lightly. Looks like it's going in a little bit. I'm not sure if this is. There you go. Look at that. I did it. It's tight. Can't believe it. All right. I don't know if this was going to work or not, but I'm gonna put this in a little. Just looks much better already. I'm gonna have to repaint this. I got some steel. This is some steel here. It's not rusting at all. It looks a lot better. All right. Well, so this was my situation. This had popped out. These are bent. This is scraped up, but in another video I'll show you how I fix this. Not gonna be perfect, but you know, you doers just want it to look better. But it looks pretty good here. I'm gonna use this mallet, and the reason I thought I could do this because I didn't think the bracket was actually broken. I watched some videos, talked about that. It didn't seem like this was the case, so I thought, let me just try this, and just using a mallet. And again, I did try to adjust it with this flathead. I wouldn't necessarily, I don't think that did anything. You don't want to damage this. But I started off on this end here where it was already connected, and I noticed it was going in. So I thought I could feed the rest of it in rather than starting up here where it was much more out. I started where it was already in, and I was able to tap it into place. So it looks pretty good here. Right here, as you can see. Not bad. It's still coming out here a bit. Not surprised, but it looks much better than it did before. And I'm gonna have to probably maybe eventually remove this and fix it up. But for now, it looks pretty good, and I'm pleased with it. So, all right, you doers. If you liked this video, it was real time. I didn't know if this was gonna work, but please like and subscribe, and let's keep getting things done.